We are glad to welcome you on the Hard Reset YouTube channel, and in this video I will show how you can see Apple Music Replay. So as far as we know, you can access your Apple Music Replay at any given time. All that you gotta do is to open your browser of choice, then go at replay.music.apple.com. Here tap at the jump in button, then sign in using your Apple ID here. So just input your Apple ID credentials, starting with an email address, then follow it by inputting your Apple ID password. Or using the passkey, that's up to you. And once the credentials are input, just tap at this arrow button here, and well, it will allow you to go through. Unlike me, since as you can see my Apple ID has been locked for security reasons, that's fine. And once you will sign in, you'll see all the replay statistics, all the listening statistics that you'll ever need. So that'll be it for this video. Thanks for watching, and bye bye.